Okay, so here's the syllabus. You can see it. Contact hours, how to contact me. I'm going to have face-to-face office hours, and it says where it is. The times, where is it? Right here. Where's office hours? Um, and then also, I'm going to have Zoom. That'll be applicable during the semester. And when we do it, I will announce it. Course SLOs, required text. You can buy a used text. You could buy an older text. That's completely, totally okay. You can buy an ebook from the publisher. If you look, I have it right here. If you want to go to the publisher and get your ebook, or you could buy a used book. And if you look, it says Amazon. The used books, the old editions, I found them for as low as $10. Or if you want to get the ebook, it says $60, so that's fine. Scantrons will need that for the face-to-face lecture exams. Here, it shows all the points in the class. It says approximate. Again, this is my first time teaching online, so I'm not sure all the stuff that we're going to do online. So give or take, and it says approximate. Grades, okay, lecture exam format, how to calculate your grade. So, whoops, you can see that here. How to study for this class. Please look at this. I've thought about it, and, I'm thinking this is how to be successful. So, and then this is the important page right here. Here's the week, here's the topic, the chapter in the book, and the lab activity. So take a look at that. And then over here, it says when our exams are. So lecture exam 1, face-to-face and lab. Down here, lecture exam, whoops, click on that. Lecture exam 2, lecture exam 3. So what I was saying in the intro, so scientific method, chemistry, cells, photosynthesis, and then exam. DNA, cell division, mitosis, meiosis, exam. Evolution, exam. And then ecology and exam. So here it shows you the topics in lecture, which we'll be doing online, and topics in lab, which we'll be doing in the lab. And by the way, for the lab manual, it is a printed lab manual that you buy from the campus bookstore. It's like $14 or something like that. It's just the copy pages. And then over here, Chafee Success Centers. During the semester, we're going to have a field trip. We're actually going to have a couple of field trips. One, we're going to go to the LA Natural History Museum. So this talks about the museum field trip. And then another, we're going to go to the campus preserve. So this shows the campus preserve. And then finally, Chafee Success Centers. Chafee has so many resources for you guys. Here it says Chino, Fontana, Rancho, Career Center. You guys, if you want to do mock interviews, if you want to do, let's say, fill out a job application, etc. Counseling, you guys are probably already familiar with counseling, EOPS, faculty advisors. Let's say you say, oh, I want to become an accountant. We have accounting instructors, excuse me, and you can talk to them, right? And you can find out who the faculty advisors are. Let's say you're like, I want to be an English person, I want to be a chemistry person. Honors program, one book, one college, student health services. Part of your fees go to the student health services. So free services, right? I mean, you already paid for it. So let's say if you need an exam, if you need blood work, if you need an x-ray, they even have, if you need to talk to a counselor, if for whatever reason, so with psychology and therapy here. So anyway, here's the syllabus, and the really important page is this one, because it shows the schedule. So please take a look at it. If you have any questions, please be sure to email me. Bye.